Good morning, children. Today we are going to do a new poem which is unit number 10 in your textbook, page number 34. Okay, children. So let us do the new poem. The name of the poem is The Clock. Tick a tocker, tick. The clock says quick. For time will not wait for those who are late. Children, how does the clock make the sound? It comes in a tick tock tick. It goes on, no? In your junior classes also you have learnt about that poem, correct, children? So you had it in the rhymes form. Now we'll study it in the poem form. How is the sound of the clock, children? It is in a tick tock tick format. Okay, and how does the clock say? It is very quick. It is very quick to say tick tock tick. It will not wait for anybody. Okay, and it will never wait for those who are late. Time keeps on going without waiting for anybody. It is always correct on its time to do its duty. Okay, talk tick tock, wake up says the clock. Okay, the clock sound again, it tells, come on, you should wake up. It is already time to get up and do your work. It is already time up to go to school, is what time always tells us. For my time shows true and won't wait for you. The time is never wrong, children. It is always correct at its time, and it always tells us that you should also be correct to your duty on time. Okay, then tick a talker tick, talker tick a talk. Time keeps watching us sitting in a clock. Okay, where is the, how does the clock sees us? It is inside the clock, and time sees us from the clock, and it reminds us so many things that it is already time up. You get up and do. Yes or no, children? When you get up in the morning, time tells you to get up and you go and get ready to the school, and again on time you have your breakfast, you come to school, you learn here, again on time you go back home. See, there are so many things you all do, no? On time you should be. Okay, so try to respect time, and we should do our duties or our work correctly on time, so that we are never late in our work. Okay, children. Now here are some new words. CLOCK clock, QICK quick, LATE late, TIME time. Along with these words, I will be sending you some more new words. You should write all this in your classwork book, in your notebooks, and prepare yourself for the dictation test or the objective test or the preparatory exams, whichever we tell you. You should be prepared with these letters and the question and answers, fill in the blanks, whatever we give you, you should be able to learn those, children. Okay, now see here, we have a big clock in our classroom. Yes or no? In your school you have a big clock or no? I must eat my ice cream quickly. Using this word, how they are from? Say quick, quickly. I eat my ice cream quickly, or else it will melt. Rohan is never late for school. Rohan reaches school on time every day. See, using these words, they have formed the sentences. You should be able to write like this, children. You should be able to write this. If I give you one word, no, you should be able to write the sentences. Okay, children. Now, this 3 question answers I will write and send it to you. Please write it down in your classwork book, and whenever we call you, you should be able to show us your Facebook so that you get it corrected, and all this will come for your exams. So please, not only writing, but you should also learn these things, and you should be able to write it correctly in your exams, children. Okay, I'll be telling you what is the poet trying to teach us, that we should respect the time and do all our work on time. Okay, children. Now tick the correct answer. Which is correct now? What do you wear on your hand? Is it a watch or a clock? Can you wear this or this? This is the watch. This is the clock. Now tell me which one you have to wear. You will be wearing the watch. Now where you will put this? Next question is, where do you hang? What do you hang on the wall? Do you hang a watch or a clock? Okay. We hang the clock. The smaller one which we put on our hands is the watch. The bigger one which we have in our classrooms and homes, that is the wall clock, or you can just say clock. Which we put on the wall is the clock. Which we put on our hands is the watch. Is it clear, children? Now see here. Uh, what time of the day is this? Look at the pictures and you should be able to tell now. It is showing, as you all can't understand this, I will tell you what has to be done, children. It is night time. This boy is sleeping, so it is midnight, 12 o'clock. Okay, children, you should write here 12 because the time here it is 12. Okay, you should be able to write midnight 12. Okay, the time here is 12 o'clock. Okay, when it is midnight, what time it is? It is 12. Okay, 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock is the, in the night is called as midnight. Okay, now see this picture and tell me. There is the cock, there is the boy is getting up, there is the wall clock here, and what is the time it is? It is 6 o'clock. See here, it is 6 o'clock. You should write here 6. Okay, now in this picture the boy is ready to go to sleep. Now he has not yet slept. In this picture he is already sleeping, and here he is getting ready to sleep. So the time here is, what time you all sleep in the night? No, that time is 9 o'clock. You all should sleep by 9 o'clock and try to get up by 6 o'clock every day. All this is good habits, children. You should learn it. Okay, now when you are in the school, what time you get up and come? What is the school timing? 9 o'clock. See, the sister and brother, they are going to school now. It is 9 o'clock. Okay, now the school the peon uncle rang the bell and they all are studying, and it is afternoon. What time? Afternoon, what time you all go to have your lunch, children? It is 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, and in the evening time when you go at home, no, what do you all do? You all play. At what time you all play? The evening. Dusk is nothing but when the sun sets down. When this is sunrise. Okay, sun gets up in the morning. This is the sunrise, and now sun goes back to its home. So this is the dusk time. Evening is also called as dusk. Okay, the other name for dusk is evening. Okay, evening, what time it is? It is about 6 o'clock. Okay, children, so midnight is 12. Dawn means morning. Dawn means morning. Morning, what time it is? 6 o'clock. And night, what time it is? 9 o'clock. Morning again, what time it is? 9 o'clock. This is night 9 o'clock. This is morning 9 o'clock. And this is afternoon 12 o'clock, when the peon uncle rang the bell and students are ready to go to eat their food. Okay, and in the evening, you all play in the evening, no? That time it is called the dusk time. It is 6 o'clock. Okay, I can hear the bell. I can hear, these are the sentences. I can hear the lunch bell. What it is? It is 12 o'clock. It's time for the school. It is 9 o'clock. The sun has just set. It is the evening time. Now I can see the stars very clearly. It is the night time. Okay. I can hear the cock crowing loudly. It is morning 6 o'clock, and a new day is about to start. Okay, this is the morning and this is the midnight. Mornings are the time where it is you start the new day. Okay, now you just do this in your textbook only. Join the dots to complete the picture. Draw the hands to show the time your school starts. Okay, your school starts at 9 o'clock. You should join all these dots like this. Okay, and 9 o'clock. From here, if you all start doing this way, no, draw all, you should join all these dots in this way. Okay, you should join the dots. And now the time, what is the question? Draw the hands to show the time of your school your school starts. The school starts at 9 o'clock. The smaller hand tells the hour clock, and the bigger one here goes to 12 and it tells the time. This is 9 o'clock. This you should be able to draw, children. Okay, you should draw a circle and you should put the timing in that. This is your school timing. Understood, children? Now see, children, this is a beautiful activity, or you should understand all these words. See, you have to match the followings in this. But before matching, this is a very nice game to play. Let us see. Column A tells us something and column B tells us something. Let us first write down the names. This is what? This is a vegetable, cauliflower. This is what? This is called as you know how your father's purses are, no? Those, your papa's purse is called as a wallet. Okay, wallet. Okay, this is the clip. After washing, you put your clothes, no? That is the clip. And this is the candle. And what is this? This is a donkey. Now tell me what are there in these pictures, children. This is a wall. This is the lip. This is the key. This is the flower. And this is the can. Now they are telling, from these words you should match these words. This is a collie. Now see here. This is what? Collie and flower. Where is flower in this? This is the flower. So we can shorter form of this. This is matched to the flower. See here. Cauliflower. Okay. Wallet. This is the wall. Wallet. Okay. This is the clip. Lip. See here. This is wall and this is lip. Where is the lip now? Lip is here. Okay, children. Now here is the candle. This is called candle. Where is the can here? This is the can here. Now this is the donkey. Where is the key? The key is here. See. This way you have to match this, children. Understood? Very simple game. I'll send you the pictures. You try doing it at your homes. Okay. This may come for your exams, children. Please understand. If you have any doubts about this, no, you can ask me anytime. I will tell you how to do this. Okay. All things around us have different shapes. Okay, children. The box is square shape. What is the shape of the box? It is square. What is the shape of the biscuit? It is rectangle. These are the shapes. Square is a shape. Rectangle is a shape. Ball is like a circle. Circle is a shape. Then the hill is a triangle. Hill shape is how? It is a triangle shaped. The joker's cap is like a cone. How is the cone shape of the joker's cap? It is a cone. Okay. Now the two more things which tell us about the square are, book is also a square shape. Bread, you all eat bread, no? How is the shape of the bread? It is square shaped. Okay. And how is the shape? Tell me two more things of which has circle shape. One is moon. The other one is the coin. You know, no, the paisa which we put in a purse, that is the coin. Okay, children, is this all clear? If you have any doubts about this lesson, please ask me and I will be sending you some question answers of this page. Write down all this and you should send me the pictures of your fair book. Everything should be done. This should be done in your textbook only. This you should write in your fair books and send. This also you write it in your textbook only. This one also you write in your textbook. All this should be marked. This also you write it here. But only these three you have to write in your classwork books and send the pictures to me in the group. Okay, children? If you have any doubts, please ask me and study well for the exams. Okay? Thank you.